Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Did you know that foreign employees nominated by Australian companies can get a permanent work visa under the Australia Subclass 186 Visa Employer Nomination Scheme? Depending on whatever visa stream you are eligible for under Employer Nomination Scheme 186, you have a few options. You can apply for one of three primary 186 visa streams. 1. Direct entry stream. If you have the necessary abilities and experience for the post being nominated, you can apply for this visa. You may be nominated by your sponsor for any position on the list of skilled jobs. 2. Labor agreement stream. If your sponsorship is covered by labor agreements, you may apply for this stream. In cases when there is a shortage of local labor and alternative visa options are not available, labor agreements permit Australian employers to sponsor the entry of foreign employees into Australia. 3. Temporary residence transition stream. If you already hold or have previously had a temporary work visa subclass 457 or 482, and you wish to remain in Australia permanently, this stream is appropriate for you. 186 Visa Occupation List. The eligible positions for work visas and the degree of competence needed to fill each one is listed in the occupation list of the Employer Nomination Program. The working visa occupations are categorized by Australia and New Zealand using a classification system, and each job has its own ANZSCO code. The qualifications needed to perform that vocation are represented by the ANZSCO code. Your line of work needs to be on this list of occupations in order for you to be eligible for visa type 186. Some professions are left off the list and might come with restrictions. However, if your sponsor thinks that the employment for which you are being nominated satisfies the eligibility requirements, they must provide proof of this when they submit your 186 visa nomination. 186 Visa Obligations. The following responsibilities must be met by a holder of subclass 186 visa in order to keep their visa status. 1. For at least 2 years, you must be employed by your sponsoring company. 2. If you already have a visa and are in Australia, you agree to start working within 6 months of arrival. 3. All Australian laws must be maintained by you and any dependents you bring to Australia. What are the requirements? You must fulfill the requirements in order to be issued an Australia Subclass 186 visa. 1. Have a sponsor who qualifies. In order to have a valid nomination for your visa 186, you must have a sponsor who qualifies, and the requirements may vary depending on the stream you are applying for. 2. Have a suitable occupation. Your sponsor cannot propose you for visa 186 unless you fulfill the requirements for the skills assessment and have a career that is on the list of skilled occupations. 3. Your sponsor submits an application on your behalf. If both you and your employer are eligible, your employer may do so. Your sponsor must pay an application fee and submit the nomination using the Australia AMI account. 4. Your sponsor pays the levy fund. If your sponsor doesn't contribute to the Skilling Australians Fund levy, the Department of Foreign Affairs won't approve your candidacy. If your sponsor's business generates less than $10 million in revenue, the fee is $3,000. If it generates more than $10 million, the fee is $5,000. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.